Summer is here, it's Gemini season, it's time for chaos, which means it's time for another round of cool, creative, artsy bitch outfits for a cool, creative, artsy bitch summer. That's that. Let's get into it. For our first look, I started with a basic black mini skirt and then this black bikini top just for a slightly spicier top. To balance the more revealing pieces though and add some color, we have this oversized orange jacket on top. Then I added this green tote because I just like the color combo with this jacket and added green earrings to match. Finally, we have my favorite parts of this outfit, the little Y2K kitten heels and the long hair ribbon. The shoes I love just because they feel like kind of an unexpectedly dressy, chic choice for this outfit. And then the ribbon, so feminine, so dramatic. I love it. Also, I got the ribbon idea from Beneless on TikTok. I might be saying that wrong, but if you don't follow her, oh my god, go do it right now. Her style is literally immaculate. Look number 2 is quite simple, not really out there at all, but still feels sort of edgy and statement making. I've really been loving the look of this type of dress lately, so I am just faking that with this black tank top and black midi skirt. Because the base is so simple, I went with my new chunky boots for some edge in the shoes, and then I just added a bunch of jewelry because what better way to spice up a simple outfit? Honestly, I don't really have enough jewelry to truly give what I'm trying to give here, but you get the idea, just like a stacked jewelry look. For this next look, we are following the teachings of Lainey Ozark. In a recent video of hers, she suggested picking 2 things you would never think could work together and trying to make them work together. So I decided to try these capri track pants and this poofy sheer blouse. I feel like the way to make super clashing things work together is just to make sure everything in the outfit matches something else in the outfit. So I added this little baseball cap for the sporty accent, and then to match the blouse, my ballet shoes with my little ribbons tied around my ankles for extra feminine flair. This is pretty out there for me, but I kind of love it. I feel like the ghost of an old-timey little British boy who plays an antiquated aristocratic sport. Our next look was inspired by this picture I saw on Pinterest. I just love the super frilly, girly pieces paired together. She looks like a pearlescent mermaid princess, so I wanted to replicate that with this pink vintage sleeve top and this white lace paneled slip. Because the slip is partially transparent, I just have white jean shorts under, which I thought might look a little weird, but I actually think it blends in really well. Then to really lean into the magical fairy princess vibe, I added my new preserved flower heart earrings and pinned this brooch to the center of the slip. And of course, I love a frilly feminine look with a chunky black shoe, so I added my platform loafers. For this next look, we're going way more casual with this little overall dress. I love overalls for summer because they're so airy and comfy but still so adorable and a little more unique, a little artsy. There are more overalls to come in this video, by the way. I also love this little green floral button-up. The bright color is so fun and summery. I matched it with a green claw clip, and then I love orange and green together. It's just such a fresh citrusy combo, so we have these funky orange slice earrings. Finally, to keep with the bright summery theme, we have white platform sandals and a rainbow bead necklace. This next outfit is probably the most casual, everyday look in the whole video. It is extremely simple, comfy, and easy, but still has kinda cool artsy vibes, you know? The base is just simple black jean shorts, a white crop tank top, and some everyday black sandals. Then on top, we have this black and white sort of planty print short sleeve button-up. I love this print, it's just so fun and graphic, and the open shirt gives a super casual, laid-back look. Finally, we also have a little green hair bandana, which adds some color and just such a classic artsy style. Anything that looks like something a 90s movie mom would wear while painting, really can't steer you wrong. Alright, we're back into the more extra looks with this one. To start, this amazing plaid dress. It's my new favorite thing. I love the colors so much. Then, I just could not resist putting this teal ruffled tank top over it. The color match is so good, and I just love these pieces together. It's such a fun energy. I've also been seeing a lot of fashion girlies doing braided pigtails with little bows on the ends lately, which is so cute. I had to try it. And I clearly do not have any ribbon short enough for this, but I actually kind of love the drama of the long ribbons. It feels less sweet and more like editorial. Finally, of course, for a tough grounded contrast, I added some chunky black boots. I also wanted to style this dress leaning into the plaid prairie vibes a little, so I got rid of the tank top, added the straw hat, so cute, and then took out the ribbons because with the hat ribbon, it was just too much ribbon. Then for shoes, I thought it would be fun to go with my little white pointy boots for a subtle Western-inspired feel. I feel like this is sort of like prairie girl meets cowboy, which is sort of fun because the styles are obviously very adjacent historically, but don't actually cross over that often. I also like that the plaid has this brighter color palette because I think it makes it look a bit more modern and less costumey. For this next look, I wanted to do the classic formula of a tank dress with a t-shirt, but with a long dress and an oversized funky graphic tee, just for a more interesting updated version. I chose my black and cream patterned midi dress and then put my cowboy tee underneath for that very baggy graphic tee look. I love the bright yellow and orange peeking out on the back of the shirt, but I wanted to bring some color to the front. It really annoys me that the shirt doesn't have any color on the front. Anyway, I added these yellow lensed sunglasses to bring in more of that yellow. Then to keep it all super casual, I added my black crossbody bag and white sneakers, and now I think this is a perfect casual summer outfit. I can't wait to wear this. Now we are taking a simple tank dress in the opposite direction. We're going a bit more simple, feminine, and elevated. For this look, I went with my homemade gingham midi dress, and I kept the base just to that because I wanted to highlight the shoes, which are these white platform sandals, plus the white ribbons tied around my ankles. Then just to tie in that white a bit better, I added white sunglasses and my little white bag. I also put my hair up to give the whole thing a more clean, chic look, and yeah, this is so simple, but I absolutely love it. I would love to wear a look like this to like a slightly more dressed up event. For this next look, we are moving back to Pinterest inspiration, specifically this look of a t-shirt layered over a collared dress. Unfortunately, I do not have a collared dress, but I thought I could get a similar look by doing this blue collared shirt and this blue printed midi skirt. For the t-shirt, I went with, of course, my favorite graphic tee, and then to match the shirt, we have the chunky black boots. Finally, I added my yellow lens sunglasses again to match that little touch of yellow in the t-shirt. This is definitely a real hodgepodge of items, but I think it looks very cool, and the color coordination really pulls it together and makes it purposeful. For this next look, I really wanted to pin a little ribbon to something because I did that in my Simone Rocha video and now I'm in love with it, and I thought a jean jacket would be a cool contrast for this silky little bow. I've also been into styling my jean jackets buttoned only at the top lately, so I thought my collar clip would fit perfectly with the way the jacket is styled and with the formal feminine versus tough casual contrast. Under the jacket, I did my vintage white nightgown to keep with that frilly feminine theme, and then, say it with me, for a tough, grounded element, I went with my chunky loafers, which also match the black ribbon. Next, I just wanted to do another super simple, easy, everyday look, so I just started with a midi skirt, white tank top, and sneakers. And then, for a really simple, easy, cute touch, I added this canvas tote and tied a little black ribbon in a bow around the strap. Literally the simplest, easiest, cheapest accessory ever, but so cute, a little unique, and also works for like actual purses. This tote also already has pins on it, which is another fun little accent. Then I realized this would be a great outfit to add a vest to, which is perfect for summer to add more layers, give more dimension, cover your nipples if your shirt is kind of see-through. What's not to love? For this look, I just wanted to show you another little accent you can tie around your bag strap, which is a little scarf. I recently thrifted this one and I just tied it around my black crossbody bag strap. I love the colors in the scarf so much, I just wanted to let it shine on its own in this outfit, so I went with the simple black mini skirt, white puff sleeve blouse, and black chunky loafers. Another really fun way to go with this, if you have a colorful scarf, would be to look at all the different colors in the scarf and match the other pieces in your outfit to them, so definitely consider that too for your own outfits. Okay, next, I actually can't believe I didn't realize this earlier, but this scarf is also the perfect size and shape to wear as a top. I love how it looks here, and because it's kind of stretchy, it's actually quite secure. This outfit is super simple, but I feel like a bold scarf top already stands alone to make this a creative, cool girl summer look, so I just went with my sort of beachy, loungy white pants and black sandals. Again, drawing from the scarf colors would be fun, but I don't have any pants or shoes that are any of these colors, so I'm working with what I have, but I love this. It's so simple but so statement making and has very summery, beachy vibes. Okay, so the reason I even thought of wearing that other scarf as a top is that I saw someone on TikTok, I think, I'm so sorry, I have no memory who it was, but they suggested tying a scarf as a top over something else, sort of functioning like a corset. And I thought, hey, that would be a great use for this scarf because it is kind of transparent. I decided to layer it over this very voluminous shirt for that contrast of volume versus the cinched bodice. And then on the bottom, I put my white pants again for a very smooth, cohesive bottom layer. I also added my white platform shoes for a shoe that matches but also adds a little interest to this pretty minimal look. Also, I had to refilm this one on another day, so sorry if it looks different, that's why. Alright, we're getting to the end here, and I knew I had to include all my overalls in this video because they are just so perfect for summer. So for this look, we're styling this black pair, and I decided to just go with the same oversized cowboy tee under them because you really can't go wrong with a baggy tee and overalls. In my mind, overalls and bucket hats just go together. I think they both have such playful vibes, so I thought this cow print one would work and be extra cute with the cowboy t-shirt. I also added my yellow sunglasses to again bring the yellow from the back of the shirt to the front, and went with plain white sneakers for shoes to keep it casual. Alright, here's our last overall outfit in this video. We have these more fitted black skirtalls, and for this look I pulled out this fabulous little flare sleeve top because with overalls the most visible part of your shirt is the sleeves, so fun sleeves just make sense. Then, because the overall dress and flare sleeves give me kind of a 70s vibe, I added these little loop earrings, which I think matches that style and adds a fun new color to the look. Then, honestly, I just added these boots because they're new and I love them. I think they look cool. Sometimes that's all the reason you need. Alright, finally for the last two outfits, I was just kind of having fun. I didn't have a distinct point to illustrate here. I really just wanted to pair these two shirts together because they both feel very clownish to me and I love them together. The shapes, the colors, the pattern, it's all chef's kiss, perfect clown vibes. Someone put me in the circus immediately. For the bottom, I decided to go with simple white shorts just to balance the colors and volume of the top half, and then for shoes, my chunky loafers yet again because A, they're cool, and B, I think they are my clowniest shoes. Finally, we are finishing with sort of a similar formula to our starting outfit. We have the bikini on top, a long black skirt this time on the bottom, and then an oversized button-up on top, this time short-sleeved. I also folded the collar of this shirt inside. This is my little trick to make my thrifted oversized men's shirts look less like oversized men's shirts and more like a streamlined little jacket robe thing, like what American marketing calls a kimono, even though that's not really what a kimono is. That's the look I was trying to achieve. Oh, and then I also just wanted to use this fun little bag because I painted it myself and I'm very proud of it. This look feels very beachy and casual and summery to me, and that is the goal. Alright friends, tell me your favorite looks or ideas you got from this video in the comments. I think if you enjoyed this video, you will very much enjoy my other two cool, artsy, weird girl outfit videos. I will link them both up here and in the description if you want to watch them. Also, I heard if you do watch them and if you like, comment, and subscribe, you will suddenly gain the confidence to wear that creative outfit that you've been thinking about in your closet, in your wardrobe, but you just feel a little too self-conscious to wear it. You will gain what you need in your soul to wear it, and then you will wear it, and then you'll get a bunch of compliments on it. That's just what I heard might happen. If you like, comment, and subscribe. No promises, though. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!